All right.
All right, here we are to part two of cooking with Woe. All right, here I got my big 22-pound turkey right here. It's around about 20 to 22 pounds. So this is the big turkey that I'm about to fry. I'm about to deep fry it in a nice butterball deep fry over here. So right now, what I'm about to do, I took it out the refrigerator. Basically, I'm going to take my bird, going to put it inside of here. Next, I need to find my grabbers, which are here. And now we're going to dump the turkey inside of the fryer.
You would. I got that junk over there.
So now you want to cook your turkey about 3 to 4 minutes per pound. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to 80 minutes. And there we have it, folks. Now, when your turkey is finished, this is one that I fried already. And voila, you have your nice fried turkey. Notice it doesn't look burned or anything. It's nice, got a nice little coating. This is the turkey that I'm cooking for myself. So, you know, I'm taking other turkey for my family. So, this is how you cook a nice turkey. And I know that we're going to have a taste test. Turkey is not dry, it's very juicy. And look, folks, no red. It's cooked all the way. Now I'm going to taste a piece. The best. So if you want your turkey fried and you need to get some more information on fried turkey, holler at me. Cooking with Woe. See you.